Hi guys, welcome to Desi Martini, and today we have with us the man who isn't underrated comic, as he said, anymore. He is shedding the underrated tag, and he's also the ultimate bania. We are talking about none other than Gaurav Gupta. Gaurav, welcome to the show.
Thank you so very much, Dinia. And I hope आप सब अच्छा कर रहे हो. I hope you are all fine and good. And
Yes.
thanks for having me.
Yeah. Hopefully you are also well, you and your family.
Yes, I am. Thank you so much.
And congratulations, because your first Amazon Free original is going to hit up the internet in 4 days. Yes.
Yes, it is going to stream from 14th of May on Amazon Prime Video.
Right, absolutely. So आपके लिए तो market कतई down नहीं है. तो आप ये बताइए कि how did you land on this?
This show, basically, I was preparing for this show. I was making this show for last 2.5 years. I started writing this show in mid 2017, and I kept polishing it and adding some jokes, or taking out some jokes which were not working. So I have prepared a very crisp kind of material and totally tight material, and it should engage the people.
Absolutely, because you had a tour as well, I think in March itself.
Yeah, I did.
Market down.
Yeah.
So
before, So I wanted to do a live show tour before this show goes on OTT platform on Amazon Prime Video. That's why I did that, and that was also necessary to know the fans' reaction or audience reaction about the show. So all went very well, and
hopefully yes, the show will be big, because we are all waiting for it.
Yeah, thank you.
मार्केट डाउन है, मतलब आपके इंस्टाग्राम को फॉलो करते हुए मुझे ये समझ आया कि probably मार्केट डाउन है was a term that your father used for your sister.
Yes.
So would you like to tell the story behind it?
Not for my sister, but for like whole family used to say, like whenever I used to go to my father to Papa, pocket money बढ़ा दो, या just can you give me some money? So he always used to say that like there is market down, everything is fucked up. No, we don't have money. So that was his tagline always. Whenever you go for money, okay, you start crying in a market down. So that particular tagline I used as a title for my show, because around that, because many of my jokes in this comedy special is about my dad and like interaction with him, and so I think this is the reason why I put the title market down. But it has nothing to do with stock exchange, guys.
No scam here as well.
Yeah.
तो एक बात बताइए, मतलब मार्केट डाउन है जो ये जो फ्रेज है, क्या आप भी आपके बच्चों पे यूज करते हो?
अभी I have a very small kid, so अभी तो, लेकिन हाँ, मैं जब मेरे को अगर सही में पैसे नहीं देने में तो मैं यूज करूंगा, because this is a genetic this is a hereditary word, so I should not.
हाँ, तो मतलब वो बच्चे भी प्रिपेयर्ड हो जाएंगे, अब तो बड़े होते होते कि पापा यही बोलेंगे.
हाँ, yeah.
Also, tell me like एक जो आप हमेशा बनियाज पे, आप खुद बनिया हो, तो you always crack jokes on banias. Tell me 5 things that would make like that are very typical of banias.
वो मेरे सारे jokes में I've already said कि क्या typical होता है, but I think this innocent kind of face first, this square cut kind of face, this spectacle, proper, like you can like proper, like this one, and there are like many more traits, like interest in the business, especially those kind of business with like nobody like look into that, like particular the deep rooted business.
Exactly.
which has got less competition and more wealth, I think.
तो एक बात बताइए, you are also from Delhi, तो दिल्ली के ऑडियंसेस, मतलब दिल्ली के ऑडियंसेस कितना रिलेट कर पाएंगे, या दिल्ली बेस्ड जोक्स कितने होंगे? एनी आइडिया, लाइक रफ आइडिया?
Basically I am from Delhi, so the जो पूरा जो narration है, like the whole narration and the whole accent of the show of mine is typically North Indian or typically Delhi based, you'll be able to realize that a Delhi guy is on the stage and he's the kind of things I'm telling, and the accent which I'm following is typically from North India, especially Delhi. So I think they'll be able to relate it, or the slangs or whatever the keywords.
तो मतलब will it be safe to say कि तू जानता है मेरा बाप कौन है is going to be there?
No, that is not a slang. That is a proper like that is particular like Delhiite stuff की बाप कौन है.
दिल्ली वालों के लिए प्यार मोहब्बत वाली बात हो गई, तो जानता है मेरा बाप कौन है, तो बेसिक बात ही हो गई.
Yeah. So pin code, this is our pin code, na?
Gaurav, how did you start your journey into stand-up comedy? मतलब बनिया, there is business, there is everything, that a baggage that you carry, and then you decided to get into stand-up comedy. So what was your life like before stand-up comedy, and why did you want to become a stand-up comic?
Basically, I was a practicing dentist before I entered into stand-up comedy. I was a practicing dentist for 5-6 years, and then the things got monotonous. I was just like, I was going to the clinic and coming back to home, then clinic and home, clinic home, clinic to home, home to clinic. That was my whole life, and listening to all the same complaints of the patient. I have to take this. So I realized I need to break this monotony, and why not stand up? So I just gave it a chance, and I hit the open mic in 2015, and that was pathetic experience. That was very bad. So after that, I improved myself, my delivery, my scripting, and then there was like a good response from the audience, and now I'm here.
Yes. And it has been like 6 years into this, and you are here, which is like great. It's a great achievement, great feat. Congratulations once again.
Yeah, but I'm lazy, as I already said, no? So
I think Delhi वालों का ये भी थोड़ा सा trait है ना कि lazy होंगे.
Yeah.
So like, what was your family's reaction when you decided to get into this? Because 2015 was just the start of the stand-up comedy ground.
Late 2013 was when the thing started, and 2015 was very early phase of that when I entered. So they were not that warm with this decision, like nobody can like enjoy that their son who has taken a dental degree and who is a practicing dentist, and suddenly saying I'm going to go in a pub or a restaurant to crack jokes in front of the drunk people or the people who are having their dinner. So it was like very hard to digest, like what earning will be there in this kind of profession. So they were not supportive that much in the initial phases. But once I start getting successes and start getting shows, and people started recognizing me on various platforms, and then they thought like something must be good he's doing. Then they were with me.
So are your parents or your family like one of your regular audiences now?
Yeah. My parents are happy with me, but they don't go to my show. Like only one show, they attended only one show of mine, 1.5 years. That was a huge show of mine. Around 500 people came before pandemic, guys. So it was in 2019, and it was an auditorium show. 550 kind of people came there who purchased the tickets, and so I just took them into that.
तो मतलब आपने जो ये डाला था ना इंस्टा पे कि अंडररेटेड कॉमिक 500 लोग आप जाएंगे वॉशरूम और 500 लोग आ जाएंगे, भाई ये तो हो चुका है. अंडररेटेड तो कभी नहीं थे.
एक बार हुआ, बट उसको मेरे को पुश करना पड़ा था 1 महीने को, तब 500 लोग आए थे. तो लेकिन मेरे YouTube चैनल पे कई लोग लिख देते हैं अंडररेटेड, तो आई थॉट लेट्स मेक अ रील आउट ऑफ इट, लाइक कुछ
अभी तो आप अंडररेटेड रहे भी नहीं, मतलब हो गया अब तो Amazon Funnies में मिल गया. No chance of calling yourself underrated anymore.
Maybe.
Thank you so much, and again, best of luck for the show.
Thank you.
We would be eagerly waiting for it, and we hope there are many more to come. And hopefully
you
the
so much.
pandemic will soon be over
Sure.
and we would get to watch you live in an
Oh,
audience
great. Thank
someday.
you. I'm also hoping for that. Like,
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Also stay safe, take care, and thank you so much, Gaurav, for
Thank
connecting
you so
with us.
very much, Nidhi. Thank you for having me. Thank you.